Hi, I am Renu Bala and you are watching my channel Innovative Trends. We are presenting our concepts in very simple and easy language. Today we are going to discuss magics of naughty E, which is also the most frequently used letter of English alphabet. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि आपके घर में जब भी गेस्ट आते हैं तो क्या होता है। गेस्ट के आते ही बाकी मेंबर्स की रूटीन चेंज हो जाती है। ठीक वैसे ही ई जब किसी वर्ड में ऐड होता है तो उस वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज हो जाती है। लेट्स डिस्कस इट थ्रू एन एक्टिविटी। आपके सामने कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इनको ध्यान से पढ़कर बताना इनमें वॉल की साउंड क्या है। वर्ड्स आ एटी एट, मैट, हैट, मैन, कट, नॉट, बिट, car, us, hug. Now you add E at the end of these words and then see how they are pronounced. At converted into eight, mat converted into mate, hat into hate, man into mean, cut into cute, not into note, bit to bite, car to care, and us into use and hug into huge. Oh, such a drastic change in us and hug. Us converted to use and hug to huge after adding E. Again, you add E to some of these words at different places. Then see what happens. At becomes eat, mat, meat, hat, heat, man, mean, and car to sear. Change is there. That's why we call E as naughty and magic letter. If you watch the video till end, then you will be familiar to all the tricks of E. Its sound variations won't be able to confuse you. जब भी कोई पूछता है ई की फोनिक साउंड क्या है तो हम बड़े आराम से कहते हैं इट्स ए, एज इन केस ऑफ बेड, सेट, रेड, एग, पेन, hen, etc. Again, here are some words. You read them loudly one by one, but be careful for the sound of E. These words are B-E-B, bed, read, reuse, rewrite, gene, here, and verb, peach. In all these words, E has different sound. Oh my God, इतनी वेरिएशन और हमने तो कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया। तभी तो ई सबसे नॉटी है। और हाँ, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें और अगर चैनल को पहले सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर करें। बी ई को हम बी पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन इसके साथ डी ऐड करने पर हम इसको बीड नहीं बल्कि बेड पढ़ते हैं। बिकॉज वेन एवर ई कम्स बिटवीन टू कॉन्सोनेंट्स it sounds as a, for example, pen, den, bell, bed, set, hen, etc. But at the same time, if there is another E after the consonant, then previous E is pronounced as long E. For example, gene, meter, complete, seed, conceal. Now let's move to its next trick. E is generally silent when it's at the end of word. For example, game, take, write, late, give. But few exceptions are there like finale, simile, recipe. When R is used after E, that is E and R, then its sound is O. And R is silent here. For example, verb, herb, heard, jog, certain, etc. Another variation in its sound is in case of E, R and E. That is when E is on the both side of R, its sound is air. For example, here, there, sphere, mere, atmosphere. Next is words ending with en, er, el, ent. Here E sounds as A. For example, eaten, taken, writer, tumbler, etc. Now come to the next point. If A is added with E, it sounds long E. For example, tea, peach, teach, heat, meat, see, week, etc. Now next most important trick of E is, if there is any vowel before a consonant and E is used after that consonant, then previous vowel is pronounced by its original pronunciation, that is A, E, I, O and U. Whichever vowel is there. For example, in case of cane, tame, sound of A is not A, but it is original A. And in case gene, seed, here sound of E is not any other sound, but it's E as it is pronounced. And kite, bite, here I is pronounced as I. Bone, cone, here O is pronounced as O, not O. Cube, tube, here again the sound of U is not A, it's U. So I hope most of the tricks of our magical letter E are clear to you. Even if you have any query, you can ask it through comment box. Thank you.